Good Friday morning, Facebook. Hopefully you had a great Thursday. It was Tanner's birthday yesterday. We did some jobs and then we took him to lunch and had a good birthday celebration. So happy 21st, Tanner. Today is my office lady, my main go-to gal, and the real boss of Aspen Mountain Plumbing, my wife, Kelly's birthday. Happy birthday, babe. We love you. She is 21 years younger. No, I'm just joking. She's, I will not give her age online. I'm a smart man for the most part. But happy birthday, babe. We love you. And we're glad to have you at Aspen Mountain Plumbing as our main gal. She does a lot for us. She does a lot of the behind the scenes. As I'm doing the management and the running of things, she's doing the HR work, she's doing the bookkeeping, she's doing the payroll, she's doing the dispatching and the answering of phones. She has a huge responsibility at Aspen Mountain Plumbing, and I couldn't do it without her. So thank you. Happy birthday. Question is, how can I be more energy efficient in my home through plumbing? Now, this is a question I get a lot. With today's technology and today's world, everybody's thinking more energy conservative, more conscious of the environment, and how can we save money and save resources by being energy efficient. And plumbing's no different than electricity or insulation or sheetrock or anything else in the construction world. They have come to realize that we need to be more energy efficient in a lot of different ways. There's so many different types of stuff out there to make it more energy efficient. I'm just going to briefly touch on some of it and kind of explain how it's energy efficient. So stay tuned. We're going to go through that. I'm going to teach you a little bit about that. If you're watching live, type live. If you're watching replay, type in replay. Hey, I want to appreciate and show appreciation to all those who watch my lives. I've been getting a lot more comments. I've been getting a lot more people typing in replay. It really helps me know who I'm reaching and who I'm marketing to, and it helps me to how to know what best to give you as far as lives, as far as information. So thank you. I appreciate it. Keep it up. If you haven't caught any of our lives and you want to go back and see some of it, we do have a YouTube page. Go to our website, aspenmountainmtnplumbing.com. There'll be a link at the top to go to YouTube, and you can catch all of our lives there. We do download them right to our Facebook channel. And there's a bunch more stuff there that you don't catch on lives. There's a lot of do-it-yourself stuff that will help you with tips if you're having issues in your home. So let's go ahead and jump into today's question. How is my plumbing more energy efficient in my home, or how can I make my plumbing more energy efficient in my home? And here we go. We're going to flip it around for this. So obviously the very first thing I'm going to bring up is our shower heads. All of our water coming through our fixtures is a way we can conserve on energy and resources. That little green thing that you see right down in there, this is just a basic Moen water shower head. The little green thing right there is a flow restrictor. So that restricts the flow coming through your shower head to make it more water conscious. Along with the Moen shower heads and fixtures in the bathroom, we have the faucet. Right there is a low flow conservative aerator on a two-handle bathroom faucet. Okay, let's stay on the track with water, and we're going to keep going with that. Toto, my favorite company for get this flipped around here. I'm all by myself today trying to film. Toto, my favorite company for toilets, just came out with a brand new Drake. This is the low version Drake, so this is pretty much your entry level Drake. They just came out with a new one this year that is now doing 1 gallon per flush. It's a dual flush toilet, so you can pull for a little bit more water usage for fecal matter, or you can pull for a little less than what you need for fecal matter, for urine, and it saves up to 45% per year for your water savings. Again, that's a 1 gallon flush. They have a new Dymax Tornado flush for this Drake. That has only been available for the Drake 2 that just came out this year. I just visited with them about 2 days ago about maybe getting some training for these new Toto Drakes for my guys. And this is a way of saving water. Like I said, the dual flush, you flush one way for a urine, it goes less than a gallon, and for a fecal matter, it goes exactly a gallon. And then the standard has been 1.6 gallons, so they've actually brought it down 0.6. So in toilets, that's another way of saving energy and efficiency. Let's stay on that track. Let's go back to water heaters. Now, we've been doing Rheem the last few months. We really like these products that they're coming out with now. They kind of seem to be stepping ahead of some of the other companies. They'll tell you, no, we're on the same track. But Rheem has come out with a new hybrid. Almost all your water heater companies have a hybrid, but this hybrid, the thing I like about Rheem's hybrid is it's a low maintenance, and it's if you have a problem with the hybrid section, that basically you just take the whole water heater and return it and give you a whole new unit. So they really are standing behind their product. The hybrid is an electric water heater, but it basically, and you can get these in natural gas as well, but it basically uses the outside air temperature to heat the hot water. So whatever your